Lululemon just made the coziest matching set to get you to and from Pilates. Meet the Steady State hoodie and sweatpants, a fan favorite from our men's line, reimagined in Superloft fabric that's smooth on the outside, fleecy soft on the inside. Level up your comfort in the new Steady State Superloft, available now at lululemon.com.
With Venmo Stash, a toggle on one hand and ordering a ride in the other means you're stacking cash back. With Venmo Stash, get up to 5% cash back when you pick a bundle of your favorite brands. Earn more cash when you do more with Stash. Venmo Stash terms and exclusions apply. Max $100 cash back per month. See terms at venmo.me/stash terms.
It's Jessica Marshall, and it's time to go through what we are following in the newsroom today, Thursday, March 19th, 2026. A drone dropped a package of knives, drugs, and a cell phone into a prison yard at Marcy Correctional near Utica last week. Staff recovered the contraband, but no one's been arrested. Authorities say the incident highlights a growing security threat, as drones are increasingly used to smuggle illegal items into correctional facilities. In Orange County on Wednesday, Edward Holley was acquitted in the 2003 killing of Megan McDonald. Jurors deliberated for 14 days. They cited insufficient evidence, gaps in the prosecution's case, and unclear DNA findings. Holley was released after more than 2 years in jail and 2 trials. The McDonald murder is one of the Hudson Valley's most famous unsolved cases. And now for something completely different. A G-string found at Howe Caverns has gone viral. After staff joked online about the mysterious underwear left in the caves, the post exploded. And thus was born a demand for branded underwear from the subterranean attraction. They've already sold hundreds of pairs. The mystery remains, though. Despite security combing footage, no one can pinpoint where the original thong came from. Stick by TimesUnion.com or any of our social channels for all of the latest.